To browse the challenges launched by large Canadian organizations, just click on the left menu, Open Challenges. Here you can see an overview of the 4 first challenges launched this year. For example, let's go into more details for this one launched by Palais des Congrès de Montréal. Here you have the challenge itself, the date it was launched, the social development goals associated to this challenge. You can even favorite this challenge so you can access from your profile later on. So here you have the challenge details, some data in some cases, and if the challenger has upcoming events, you're gonna see it right here. And this is the list of teams that are tackling this challenge, categories, tags, and even a bio of the challenger.